Hello, welcome back to Steph Chef. Today au menu, my version of Soupe Pistou, all the way from Provence. This soup is packed with the Mediterranean flavors, so as usual, let's do this. So, ingredient-wise, we need some onions, carrots, celery, courgettes, broad beans, peas. Those ones are frozen, but fresh is even better. Some sliced tomato here, cherry. Excellent. Liquid-wise, we need some veg stock or water, doesn't matter. A splash of olive oil, some Pernod, I'll tell you why in a minute. And the star of the show, Pistou dressing. So let's do this. So on the stove, pan goes medium heat, a splash of olive oil. And we're gonna add onions, carrots, and celery. We're going to cook them for 3 minutes. Usually I will add some fennel to that, but my family doesn't like it that much. I do, so just to remind me of the fennel taste, a bit of that Pernod stuff coming through. Now I'm going to add my veg stock and I'm going to boil it for 5 minutes. Right, after 5 minutes of boiling, I'm going to add my courgettes, as so, and my broad beans. But this time, I'm not going to boil, I'm just going to simmer. So reduce a bit for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to add my peas, there they go, except that one, and my sliced tomato. Same again, we're going to simmer that for a minute. Okay, let's just check the perfect al dente received shop, and we're gonna add our pistou into the soup. Next, let's check for seasoning. Believe me, perfect, nice and tasty and fresh. Now I'm going to dress that soup. Right, let's dress soup. Look at these colors. Oh. To that I'm going to add a little splash of olive oil because I love it. A nice helping of parmesan cheese on top. And to go with that, some basil leaf on top. And to go with that, some nice crostinis that I've got here, and a nice glass of Courgettes chosen by my helper here. So, Soupe Pistou on Steph Chef. Thank you for watching. Bon appétit and see you soon. Cheers. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out my latest one, please click here. If you want to check all my videos, please click here. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and click here. That'll be ace. See you soon on Steph Chef.